2020 Mitsubishi Adventure Imaginary Map Exposure. The new Adventure will be like this? The all-rounder Mitsubishi Adventure has been popular with many consumers since its launch in 1997, and although it has been a lot of fans until now, the original factory has not planned to introduce a big remodeling model for it. However, in recent days, foreign media have designed the imaginary map of 2020 Mitsubishi Adventure. What do you think of this entry 7-person car? From this set of imaginary maps, the new Mitsubishi Adventure retains a more square shape in terms of the exterior body, but the Mitsubishi latest family design is used in the design. First of all, in the front part, the dynamic shield's front design and the new LED headlights are not absent, and the front part is very cool. On the side of the car, the new Adventure uses a more prominent wheel arch to let people know that it is also a powerful multi-purpose off-road vehicle. As for the rear part, the new Adventure features a double L-column taillight set and a low-profile tail design. The overall look of the new Adventure looks low-key, cool and generous, which is a great design. Mitsubishi Adventure was the most feared opponent of Toyota Avanza at the time, because it was a lot of Avanza in both internal space and dynamic performance, so Adventure was very beautiful. Although these photos are just imaginary maps, it will be hard to say whether Mitsubishi will launch the new Mitsubishi Adventure again in the future. So, guys, what do you think of the imaginary map of 2020 Mitsubishi Adventure? If the original factory is really launched again, will you pay the bill?